Hello. Welcome to mawix.com tutorial videos. In this video, we will discuss the overview of our new video series about how to make money online in 2022. By the way, I am Mao. I'm the founder of mawix.com website and YouTube channel. I will be your guide in this new series of videos or course we are working on and helping you as a beginner to earn or make money online at the comfort of your home. So if this sounds good to you, then let's get started. There are several methods of making money online, and here are a few that we recommend to get started with from top to bottom. The first method, and the top in my list, is the affiliate marketing campaigns method. But before we discuss about this making money online methods, I want to share with you, what is affiliate marketing? Based on Wikipedia, affiliate marketing is a type of performance-based marketing in which a business rewards one or more affiliates for each visitor or customer brought by the affiliate's own marketing efforts. On Google, as per Investopedia.com, affiliate marketing is an advertising model in which a company pays others, e.g., bloggers, to advertise their products and services, and generate sales. Affiliates place ads or market the products or services on their website, app, or blog. Commissions are paid on leads that convert to sales. If that's a bit confusing for you, it's simply promoting or recommending other companies' products or services for people to buy. And when they do, then you get a commission. Affiliate marketing example. First, a company has a shoe product at $50 price. Second, you promote the shoe to your friend. Then third, when your friend buy, you get a commission as a reward. In another term, it means you get paid whenever there is a sale based on your marketing efforts in promoting products and services that you don't own. So as I was saying, there are several methods of making money online, and here are a few that we recommend to get started with from top to bottom. Affiliate marketing campaigns. We have free and paid methods to choose from affiliate marketing campaigns, and this making money online method is one of the fastest way and easiest way to get done with, to my knowledge, and suitable for beginners. This is simply promoting multi-niche products or services from any affiliate programs or affiliate network companies such as ClickBank, CJ.com, and etc. In the next series of videos, we will discuss more of these methods and walk you through how to set up everything from scratch. So I would suggest you subscribe to this channel or register to our newsletter to get the latest updates to our course via email. Another method of business to consider is doing niche YouTube vlogging. Before we discuss about the overall idea of a niche YouTube vlogging, let's first dive in what is a niche. As per Google, a niche means a specialized segment of the market for a particular kind of product or service. So what is vlogging? As per Google, vlog stands for video blog or video log, and refers to a type of blog where most or all of the content is in a video format. Vlog posts consist of creating a video of yourself, where you talk on a particular subject such as reporting or reviewing a product or an event. And what about YouTube niche? As per Google, a niche is the genre or subgenre creators focus their content on. There are many types of niches on YouTube, for example, gaming, cooking. So what is niche YouTube vlogging in a simple idea? It is publishing a video on YouTube platform based on a specific topic or product and services, such as about food, travel, gaming, gadgets, romance, or so. You can also use vlogging to promote the shoe product and recommend to viewers, so when they buy, you get a commission. In the next series of videos, we will discuss more of these methods and walk you through how to set up everything from scratch. So I would suggest you subscribe to this channel or register to our newsletter to get the latest updates to our course via email. So as I was saying, we have two methods of earning through this business: the Adsense and affiliate marketing. We already discussed about this in the previous scenes, so I suggest you rewind the video now if you are still confused about what it is. As per Google, Adsense is a free, simple way to earn money by displaying ads next to your online content. With Adsense, you can show relevant and engaging ads. The red box in the screenshot is an example of an Adsense display banner on a YouTube video, which the channel is being paid by Google Adsense every 1,000 views, and per click by the viewers. We will discuss more about this topic in the next several videos we will put up for this course, so I suggest you subscribe to this channel to learn more and never miss any videos we publish further. A niche website blog or blogging business is just the same as YouTuber vlogging, but by article based instead of a video on youtube.com. The same with YouTuber vlogging. You can also earn or make money through AdSense and affiliate marketing with this type of business, but it is a bit longer than doing YouTuber vlogging. The red box in the screenshot is an example of an AdSense display banner on my website mawix.com, in which I am paid by Google AdSense every 1,000 views and per click by my website blog readers. We will discuss more about this topic in the next several videos we will put up for this course, so I suggest you subscribe to this channel to learn more and never miss any videos we publish further. Make money as a freelancer. With this, you get paid by working online on freelance marketplaces such as Upwork, Fiverr, Freelancer, and etc. You're simply going to exchange your time with money. Like for example, if you know how to write an article, then you apply as a writer on Upwork freelancing platform website. Many companies or employers would be willing to hire you if you are good. But before you start, you will need to prepare yourself if you would want to go this route, and don't worry, we will surely discuss about this over the next series of our course, and share with you some tips about getting hired on Upwork based on my experience and the experience and suggestions of other successful freelancers online. Freelance business services. This will be your own business services, which is offered through your own website as your own brand. In another term, you are building your own brand or business website, in which you are offering your own services not attached to any established freelancing marketplaces like Upwork, Fiverr, or Freelancer, and etc. Some services or products I recommend are the following: website development service, resell web hosting service, resell domain names, writing service, sell websites, sell YouTube channels, sell courses, sell any digital products. When you go this route of making money online, this means you are already an advanced skilled person to manage your own business as a service provider, and in the marketing aspect too, and you have to be willing to learn how to set up your own website to receive or get paid through your own platform, and not rely on Upwork or Fiverr and etc. This is huge, as you are able to customize your own fees and pricing based on your own rate. You can also expand beyond whatever you desire as a business. You can hire people to work for you. It means you offer your own sets of products and services based on what you desire and approve. We will discuss further in the next series of videos the actual and examples, as it is really better to do an actual work to get a better understanding about this kind of business to my experience. You also have the option to do Ecommerce Dropshipping. This means you can create your own shopping items, or reselling from other companies, then sell it on your website, or from any established shopping marketplaces such as eBay or Amazon. For this method, I would suggest you list products on your own website, then also list on other popular free marketplaces such as eBay or etc., depending on your niche. We will discuss more in-depth details about this business in the next series of videos about within the course. So if you haven't already, please express your gratitude by subscribing to our channel or signing up to our newsletter to learn more and get the latest updates about this course via email. You can also visit our website at www.mawix.com and ask support on our community forums at community.mawix.com. Until next time, thank you for watching the overview of our course, How to Make Money Online in 2022. As mentioned, if you have any questions, submit your queries on our forum at community.mawix.com, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel for updates.